is me. No. So, Assalamu alaikum guys. I am so messed up as I woke up right now. So, my sir assigned me a task to perform a vlog, to make a vlog. So, I thought that it is a better time to make a vlog in the morning. Firstly, keep the shirt change. Yeah, so I am back. See, my shirt is changed as I woke up. So I am messed up. Now I change, I put some cream on my face and I comb. So I think I look little bit fine. Yeah, so as I told you before, I'm Muhammad Anas. This is my chair, this is my room, this is my house. So when it's come to choose a topic on which I have to make video, so firstly I thought that I make video on unboxing. Then I thought no, unboxing is common thing, all can do this. Then I thought to make vlog on my daily life. Then I thought it is also a common thing. Then I found a topic on which I can speak by sitting in the room. As you know, the COVID pandemic situation, so I can't go outside because my dad and mom not allow me to go outside. Yeah, so I thought to make video on the topic which is marriage. Yeah, there are two types of marriage. Firstly, we know that what is marriage. We have to know that what is marriage. Marriage is a commitment between two peoples, means man and woman. There are two types of marriage: arranged marriage and love marriage. Yeah, so we have to know that what is arranged marriage. Arranged marriage is the combination between man and woman chosen individually, that the man don't know the woman and the woman don't know the man. So the successful ratio of arranged marriage is more than love marriage. Then we come to love marriage. What love marriage is? Love marriage is that the man and the woman both love each other. This love can be one-sided by the man or the woman, that we call crush. That crush that the man married to his crush or the woman married to his crush. So it's come in the category of love. Yeah. So the successful rate of love marriage is low, even though both the man and the woman know each other before the marriage, but after that the successful rate of love marriage is low than the arranged marriage. In arranged marriage, the thing is that the man and the woman both compromise in the sense that if one thing don't like his husband, so if one thing don't like his husband, so his husband compromises. And same thing goes with the woman, that if woman don't like anything, so husband compromises. I am going to share with you some tips, some points which you can also note down in your diary. The one who is married, sir, yes, I am talking about you. Yeah, so don't argue with your wife. You can't win. You never win with your wife on arguing. The second thing is, don't talk your past, or you don't talk about their past. The third thing, that cuddle them, cuddle him or her, for God's sake. Means for God's sake, cuddle her, love her, give some time. Or the fourth thing is, give time. The only thing the relationship want is time. What else? Means if you going for the job, earn good earning, what if you didn't give time to your family? So the value of money is nothing. in the eyesight of your family, of your wife, that you didn't give any time to your family. On weekend, take her out for the parties or for the dinner. The sixth tip, which is very important, that please don't listen only one side of the story. Means if you came from the office, your wife says that your mom do this to me and argue with me, so you go to your mom and for only listening your wife's talk, you argue with your mother. With your mother, who means who teach you how to speak. Anyways, kindly listen both side of this story, that on what thing your mother told your wife. Maybe your mother will be wrong, maybe your wife will be wrong, but kindly listen, always listen both sides of this story. Even though I am not married, but I know how to sustain a comfortable relation or a successful relation. That if the, if the marriage is arranged or love, we don't talk about the past of a boy or a girl. We don't talk about past. We don't have to be talk about their past, because the past is past, present which they are continue. If they thought about past and talk about their past, so they will live in the past. They need to live in the present and think about their future, that they have to live their life peacefully for whole their life. Yeah, so I am going to share with you two stories, love marriage story and arranged marriage story. It depends upon you that which story do you like the most and you choose which story. A man and woman don't know each other before their marriage. They married with each other, and their marriage their marriage is successful for the whole of the life. But a man married knows each other before the marriage and after the marriage. Yes, I am talking about love marriage. So their marriage sustained for only 1 or 2 years. The main reason is that in arranged marriage, if a man gets angry, so women come to praise him and to make him happy, and to ask him that why he is getting sad. But if we talk about love marriage, if a man gets angry, so the woman gets angry on the same side, that why you get angry, and don't come to man to praise him and to make him happy. So that's the main issue, that for which the love marriage can't sustain for long, if instead of arranged marriage. Arranged marriage should be, in my opinion, in my personal opinion, I believe in love marriage. Honestly, I believe in love marriage, and inshallah I am laughing, and inshallah even my marriage will be long lasting, inshallah. So for today, I think it's over for the today. Inshallah, we will meet next time with another topic or with another vlog. Maybe we can do some different, we can do some unboxing if sir will be with us. If so, we will meet inshallah. Hope you like the topic for the today which I am sharing with you. Allah Hafiz. Fi amanillah. Take care. Bye bye.